To draw a backdrop, go in the backdrops and choose brush. And draw a calculator like this. Make two rectangles, first one like this and the second one like this. Then make a screen of the calculator orange by using the fill on the top and fill it orange. Now for the calculator, we need numbers from 0 to 9 and sign buttons. To create the buttons, go to Sprite section and choose brush to draw the buttons. In a square shape and fill the numbers accordingly. Use text separately for each buttons and arrange them on the background that is created. Now make three variables which are important. Go in variables, then choose, then click on the make a variables and create variables number 1, number 2 and output. Then set codes for each button separately. Choose the blocks from the toolbox and set the program to be performed by each button after clicking on it. For example, to set program for the number 0. Create the same code for the number 1 block and number 2 block and all other numbers till 0 to 9. Choose a block from event named when the sprite clicked. Attach show variable from the variable block. And set output. Add the if then else code from the control block. Go in operators, choose the equal operator variable and place it between if and then. Go in variables, drag output and place it in the operator and in the second place write null. Go in variable, bring set my variable to 0 and set my variable as output. And in second place also write the same thing. Create the same code for all other blocks from 0 to 9. Only you have to change the number written year and year. Now set codes for plus sign. Go in events, bring when the sprite clicked. Go in variables, bring set my variable to 0. Set my variable as number 1 and bring output and place it on the 0. Bring set my variable to 0 and set my variable as output, and in place of 0 write plus. Go in controls and bring the wait 1 second and add, and in place of 1 add 0.5 seconds. Go in variables, bring hide variable my variable, change my variable as output. Bring set my variable to 0, set my variable as output and write null in place of 0. Go in events and bring broadcast and and write a new broadcast in the name of wait for num to plus. Now the same codes will be repeated for multiply, minus and division. Only set output to plus, this sign will be changed in every signs. Like for multiplication, the sign will be multiply, for minus the sign will be minus, and for division the sign will be divide. And here in broadcast the changes will be num2 minus, num2 divide, num2 div, num2 mul. Now set codes for the clear button. Go in events, bring when this sprite clicked. Go in variables, bring set my variable to 0. Set my variable as num1 and write null in place of 0. Bring set my variable to 0. Set my variable as num2 and write null in place of 0. Bring set my variable to 0. Set my variable as output and write null in place of 0. Bring hide variable my variable. Set my variable to output. Now make the code of equal to. Go in events, bring when this sprite clicked. Go in variables and bring set my variable to 0. Set my variable as num2 and drag output and place it over 0. Go in events, bring when I receive and set it wait for num2 plus. Go in control and drag wait unit and go in operators and bring not and then bring equal to operator and then go in operators and then go in variables and drag num2 and put it in the first block of the operator, and in the second block of the operator write null. Then bring set my variable to 0 and set my variable as output. Then go in operators and bring joined apple banana and place it one above the other 4 times. And then go in operators and drag num1. Then put the sign of plus. Then in the third block, drag num2 from the variables and put it. Then in block 4, write equal to. Then block 5, bring a operator of plus. Then go in variables and put num1 and then num2. Make duplicates of this code 3 times for multiply, minus and division. Only the changes will be wait for num2 minus div and mul. And the signs. And now our calculator is ready. Let's see how our calculator is working. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Correct. 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4. Correct. 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. Correct. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Correct.